Well, welcome back to the third episode of OxidingCode, where we try to learn how to code using Rust. And following our outline, this document is public so everybody can comment. We are going to introduce loops using the standard guessing game, which is a very simple game where the computer throws a dice and pick a random number, and the user is asked to guess what is the number. So there are two main problems in this software, two main issues to solve is how to ask users about the input, how ask the user about a number, and the other one is how to generate a random number. So we're going to solve both of them. And this is going to be quite live, so what I'm going to do is just use all the normal stuff that you do in your day-to-day. So you're going to use Stack Overflow, the documentation online, and everything. We're going to do Google queries to understand how to measure the pieces together. Yes, let's start. So our repo, current variant, binary project, OxidingCode 02, guessing game. Good. Let's move there. And good. So first things first, let's so cargo run. This will print our initial hello world. Good. So let's start by getting the input from the users. So all we do, let's open our code, and here we're just printing out, but we want actually to read to it from the user. So let's go to Google and ask Google Rust read standard input. Reading from standard. How can I read a single line from standard input? Yes. Good. Equivalent of fget in C. Good. Input. You can see how iterate over all lines. Custom iterative with a for loop. The test that you create. What about standard line? Standard input read line. Do you want to express then this guy's right, standard input read line. This one is such a buffer. You have more control to put a string into. So let's go for this one. So what's happening? We are importing from the standard library IO self buffer read, and then we create a buffer, a new string, which is mutable, and so input block read line, and then all wrap. Let's see, you can ask them around the buffer. Okay. Moving execution, so time, okay. Let's go over some documentation. So about this stuff, use standard IO, string.new. Okay, let's do it. Usually it's just best to try, especially if your project is small. So in the buffer, let me tell input buffer string new column. Okay, then what we do, IO standard input read line inside the buffer. So IO standard input read line inside the input buffer. Then this read line return a result. Actually, want if there is an error, we don't know what to do, so we just exit. And instead of matching or do fancy stuff, you can just dot expect error in reading from a standard int. Okay, automatic for us. Let's see. Type different immutability. So we are passing this one as if it's not mutable. We need to pass this as is mutable because this function here is going to mutate stuff here. So we don't care much about this detail right now, but good. Okay, so this software is running. I guess it's waiting for some input. Good. So we provide some random input, we press enter, and then we continue after this line, so we print hello world. We could actually print our own input. Provided input, and then great. And here we put our input buffer. Good. Let's try again. Carry on building our random input. Good. Let's notice here there is I never printed the new line, nor this is this one. So inside the input buffer, they put also the new line character. You can remove this one with what we believe to remember using the train method. Sum train. Return a string slice with leading and trailing white spaces removed. So in this example, hello world with a white space in the beginning and a tab at the end. We trim it and become hello world without white spaces and without tabs. Good. So that's what we want. So dot trim. Let's see what happens. Okay. Test. Good. So we didn't print anymore the new line like here. Just print this space over here, which is this one, which is correct. Very good. So instead of directly printing, could be a good idea to actually ask. So print something and then getting the input, like a prompt, something like here, please give me a number, then a space. Okay, let's try to do it. It's quite simple. So before to get an input, we want to print not new line, but input prompt, something like this. And this character, okay, like this. Yeah, I'm good. Let's see what's happening now. Go around, pop, in the second column here. Good. Okay, nothing. Nothing because it's printed after. Most likely the input is for performance reason is not immediately actually printed. So what we can do can be maybe something like io std out dot flash. So this force the system to actually print everything in the buffer. See if this works. No, from trade can only use it as in okay. So no method named flash, this one that we just added here, found for type standard error standard out in the current scope. The current scope both. Item from traits can only be used if the trait is in scope. So the help, the following trait is implemented but not in scope. Perhaps add use for it. So use standard white, we should implement the flash method. So you can just copy this one. And then take this over here. Let's try again. See what happens. It's compiled. Yeah, nice. We see our input here. So test. Right. Provide input test. Great. provide input, test. Great, wonderful. So we can get the input. Actually, however, we need not a string like here. So to put buffer with a string, we need a number because we do a guessing game, right? So we need to compare numbers. So we need to parse this one into a number. Let's see how this done. Rust string parse to integer. Great. This one that I already saw. The solution is the string dot parse, and then we need to specify the type. We need to specify the type to parse with two fish operator like here. So the type is e32 as shown above, or be explicit type notation like here. The type of type e32 simply dot parse. And the Rust will be smart enough to understand that we want an integer. So let's try to do it. Here, let input number, just let's try to use this syntax, is equal to input buffer dot parse dot expect. Buffer. Actually, let's remember here we're trimming the number. So, but we're trimming because there was the new line. So we need to trim also this one. Expect impossible to parse the input into an integer with some very simple. And this will fail, will panic and crash everything. But if it does not crash, provided input number is what? Is our just created input number. Boom. Let's see if this works. No. Providing number, argument never used. This is never used. We need to use it. Vale. Good. Input on this one, try to put a number 12. Provide input number 12. Let's see if you put something which is not a number, like blue. Okay, panic, everything crashed. Impossible to pass the input into an integer. This is something this stuff over here. Good. So now are we now able to get a number from the users and actually use it. What we can try to do is now go on and do our guessing game. So the guessing game we need first of all to generate a random number and then compare the random number with the one that the user provides. So how do we generate a random number in Rust? Again, fastest thing to do is Rust to Google, generate random values. This is a Rust cookbook, which is the Rust line of nursery that we had the lower Rust cookbook, which is a set of recipes how to do stuff that are common. And between them there is this generate random number within a range, which is quite useful in this case. So we need an external crate, so a dependency, some code that somebody else wrote for us. And we need first of all to use and import this code into our project, and then we can use it. So this define, like when we are using something external to our project, and this is just what we want. So a random number generator. So what's happening here, we create a random number generator, and then from this generator we generate a number in a range between 0 and excluding 10. So let's try to do it. First of all, let's get the dependency. So let's go here see dependency around the create run version 0.7.2 and we need to add this one to our cargo.tom. If you look carefully, we suggest to add 0.7. This is just a minor, should not change anything. So our suggestion is to just add this little part to our cargo.tom. So let's go back here and in cargo.tom and voila. Under dependency, we can add that. Right, good. Let's go back to our code. And here we can cargo run. And what is happening now is getting the library and all its dependency. So, and then compiling. Run as run cha-cha, run core, all these other dependency that cargo is start loading for us and compile everything together. Good. Another error, another warning here, and use standard resource result. You use standard flash return a result that we may want to use it. We don't really care at this point, so we just ignore whatever it is returned. And if the return something that is wrong, we just print. Good. So we need to generate our random number. So as we say, I will do it. Let immutable random number generator is equal to rand. What is rand? We didn't import rand yet. So let's go back here. First of all, declare that you're using the external create run. And usually you need to do it. It's good to do it at the very beginning of the file. And then just declare what part of run you're going to use. In this case, just yeah, this model here. So run dot run trend random number generator, which I believe is the simplest one. Good. Let's see what's happening here. Can check code is low or what? So it should say that it's a warning we are not using it. Exactly. And use a variable rng. Variable does not need to be mutable, it's not used. And then use an import this one, which actually will be used because this one. Let's use this random number generator. Right. I will use it like this. Generate range number. So let random number is equal g range between say 0 and 10, including 10, so plus 1. And then simple. This, now we should not get anymore some of this warning, but yet again we are not using a random number. So what can be done? Provide input number here and then random number is this other random number here. Very simple. Okay, so we ask input from, so we generate a random number, didn't print it. So now we are here, flash, and we are expecting, waiting for some numbers, which, and then we are printing. So providing input number is 2, the one we provided, and the random number generated was 9. Good. So what we need to do now is just to keep asking the user to give us number until it does not guess correctly. So we need to repeat this part in a loop until the user does not guess. Fastest thing to do is just to use the loop structure like here. So this is just an infinite loop. We'll keep asking the user for a number. Let's see what's happening. input prompt 3, 2, 4, 5. So we never exit, or we keep looping here again and again and again. So what we want to do is to check the number provided with the users is the same on the one that we automatically generate. How we can do it, like here maybe, if input number is equal to and the number, print line, yeah, you guess correctly. And after this, we return. Otherwise, we keep asking. Let's see what's happening here. Diagram, build input prompt 4, next 10, 2, also about 10. Yeah, you guessed correctly. And we are exiting. We return statement exiting. And we don't print anymore here. Because when we reach this return, we go out of the function main. Good. So input prompt we don't like is your guess. Random number. Okay. It's almost there. We can help the user a little bit more. So if input number is greater, so what we're doing is just providing the user some help to guess the random number. In this case, we print line your guess is too big. Alright, and print line semicolon. Otherwise, if input number is smaller than our random number, we print line your guess is too small. Semicolon. Let's see. Is this correct? Your guess. 2. Your guess is small. The random number actually is 3. Instead of 5, your guess is too big. Instead of 3, yeah, and it's actually exit. Good. Yeah, we are pretty much there. So at this point, what we can do is to make sure that everything's working. So we remove this print line and we try one game. So your guess 5. Your guess is too big. So the number is between 0 and 5. Let's say 3. Your guess is too small, so must be 4. Yeah, I guess correctly. Let's try again. 9. Too big. 6. Too big. 2. Too big. Okay. 1. Yeah. Let's say under 0. Too small. Let's say under 10. Yes. 111. Yes. 5. Oh, what's that? Good. So, yes, that's pretty much it. The video hopefully was short and useful. Yeah, there are the 2 previous videos on the channel. You can follow me on Twitter and you see myself in the description. Also, if you want to focus on something, you can get this document that again will be on the video description and you can comment on it. So just say, I don't want to do it, I want to do this other. That will be fine. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.